All right, I'm going to show you how to make these tapered table legs. I think having the taper on there gives a more elegant look, and they're really super cool when you're using them for something like an end table. We're going to make these legs out of basic 2x2 lumber, and the tapers may seem complicated, but they're super easy to do with a very basic, simple, and easy to make jig. I've got two pieces of 2x4s about a little over 2 feet long, held together on one end with a hinge, and on the other end I've got a little cleat to help push the wood. I've also created a little sliding mechanism that allows you to measure the appropriate angle for the taper cut, lock it in place, and then run the wood right through the table saw. To make the sliding mechanism, I just got a piece of scrap wood and I used a router to cut a groove right through the middle of it. If you don't have a router, no problem. You can go get a paint stirrer and a sharp utility knife, and you can do the same thing. Just cut the groove in that with the utility knife. To tighten it down, I'm just going to use this knob and this threaded insert. And you can find these things for just a couple of bucks in the specialty fastener section of just about any one of the big box home improvement stores. Now that we've got our jig made, let's go ahead and cut some tapers. I made a mark 2.5 inches from the top on two adjoining faces. Then adjust the fence so that the blade contacts the wood right at the mark. Then I measure the distance at the foot end of the jig, right by the cleat, and adjust the angle as necessary. Now I can make the cuts. I've marked the side for the second cut on the face immediately to the left of the first mark, so that when I'm done with this first cut, I'll rotate the leg clockwise. That way, when I make the second cut, the leg will still be flat against the deck of the saw table. All right, that's all there is to it. And if you're interested in the full plans for making these end tables, check out my website, and thanks for watching.